Whoa, man! Look, we have for company, Doom Runner. Ah, yes. Who is this guy? Hi, I am Sandstorm. I am from the G1 universe, and I look like you two guys. Man, how far will be that Decepticon guy known as So? Oh, you mean that guy? He is a one-con cat. Okay. I'm from a planet where our Finbots look like RC. So are ours. Get it, man? Okay. Anyway, I'm going to the class shelf. And you two stuck in your movie shelf. Wait, man. You don't look anything like Classic C. What did he said? Hello, this is Spiderus bringing you a review of Transformers Generations Agent Exclusives Hood in Scout Class Sandstorm. He's a repaint retool of the Doom Runner mode from Revenge of the Fallen. Pretty nice moves and all that. Since I done both him and Beachcomber. So anyway, for size comparison, here it is next to Beachcomber. Yeah, you had to do it. You had to do it. Since I've already done the transformation to robot to vehicle mode on this guy, so, and I done a quickie on Beachcomber review, but along with that rival. But anyway, I'm gonna show you my fan mode, which is better. Then you flip up. Basically, you turn, then you flip up the Autobot and you rotate. Spin. And there, basically, you got this helicopter in his super defense. Sandstorm in his super defense helicopter mode, which is pretty much my take on. Yes, this is my fan mode, helicopter mode for him, since he is overall a triple changer. Yep. Since people may have their springers in their car modes, I'm gonna put him in his helicopter mode. And it's actually perfectly, honestly, looks way better than this mode and the Doomer. But anyway, show you another thing. Look, it's actually bigger than Beachcomber. But anyway, show you the robot mode. Coming in 1, 2, 3. Okay, here is Beachcomber in robot. Beachcomber. Here is Sandstorm in robot mode. Yes, pretty much he is basically the same repaint of Doom Runner, and he has the black. Again, I really love the Doom Runner mode. It's sad that I didn't have the Cranestar repaint and the Roblord from the Decepticons line. Oh well. Again, for basically the same articulation as before. And here's the side compare. Here is next to the original of the mode, Doom Runner himself. And that's the case. Let's bring Beachcomber in. Overall, Sandstorm is a good representation for you. If you don't want to have, this is your best chance to get a classic Sandstorm. It really is. And yes, normally I just put him into the movie shelf, the non-movie shelf, non-characters, and then appear in the movie shelf, and put him in the movie. Since he already got a movie counterpart, I'm gonna put him in my classic self, because he's overall a classic character. But in a way, this is first time seeing it 2 out of 10. And by the way, there will be more of these Asian Kung Fu legends, like legends, folders, and of course, those deluxes. Don't worry, Springer, Swerve, Cliffjumper, and even Wheelie will get reviewed in the near future. Same thing with Brawl, Laserbeak, Dead End. Who's the other guys? Smokescreen. I mean, not Smokescreen. Blue Streak. Proud. Blue Streak. House. Thundercracker. Motor Master or Motorbout will get reviewed too. Hotspot and Megatron and even Power Drive will get the review too. But anyway, this is part-time thing at Tim Ted.